Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm here with another box. Let's take a guess what it could be. Drum roll, please. I think I did the drum roll before the drum. Anyways, let me give you a hint. Samsung. Which Samsung could it be? Let's see. Let's find out. Knife again. Got it. Exciting part. I'm gonna end up cutting myself one of these days doing that nonsense. What does this say? Samsung Z Flip 5G, baby. Now let's open the box. Here goes the knife again. I'm excited. Let's get the Samsung cup out of the way. Look at that. The future changes shape meets the Galaxy Flip. Ooh, look at this. Beautiful color, baby. So we got our phone, SIM card. It comes with the charger block, the charging cable, Type-C, and that's it. So let's get all these out of our way. So the screen is a 6.7 and ultra wide. Hear that crispness? Ooh, ooh. Let's turn this baby on. There we go. Did I mention a 6.7 ultra thin foldable glass with a beautiful hinge? Ooh, and a display, Samsung 5G. T-Mobile, baby. Let's get started. So, here we are, the thin foldable glass. This will be perfect for vlogging because it has dual UI. UI means user interface. So I can actually have the camera going and just have something and select different apps on here. On tabletop view. So it shoots in 4K video. It's a 12 megapixel camera and it's ultra wide. So I'm gonna enjoy this. I can't wait to vlog on this. By the way, currently I'm vlogging with my GoPro Hero 9. So drop a comment below. Tell me what do you think of the quality, and so this is it. This is it. I'm gonna set it up. I can't wait to play with it tonight and see how it is. If you haven't done so already, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below. Thank you.